So now next question is, what would happen if the AI bubble busted, and what would happen if the AI bubble did not busted? See, the major impact will be if AI bubble is going to worse, then that is mostly going to affect the stock market. The stock market is going to massively crash because there's a lot of companies who is mostly dependent on AI and having most of the stake in the market, right? Let's say if there is OpenAI, there is Gemini, there is a lot of X, Grok, there's a lot of models, right? So in case if the bubble burst, AI bubble burst, then there will be a crash into the stock market, right? A very massive crash, right? But there will be a couple of technology which will not going to be disappeared. So that is like if there will be any, let's say, practical or cost efficient AI tool that will going to survive for sure. But gradually that is going to become like much more like uh, it was related to dot-com crash, which was in I guess 2004 or something. So major impact will be on the stock market.